Light sources are part of Enscape object. We click on this icon with a plus sign to open the Enscape object tab. At the front is the category of Enscape light we call light sources. All of Enscape lights are mostly identical. What makes it different is how it shines. Sphere is its radiance around 360 degree. Spotlight is it shines at any angle that it affects the object. Limelight it has its characteristics. Similar to cylindra, is shining around itself. Rectangle and disc light it shines on the surface it shines on. How to create lighting in Enscape. We use 2-click or 4-click. In general, to easily create lighting in the Enscape, we should use reference. We can use reference from anywhere, such as wall line. Or we create the reference ourselves by drawing a line. And we select our object. Click on the location we want to create. Sphere light is we double-click to create. In the light of Enscape, the first thing we can control is the size. The second is intensity. Sphere light is shining around itself 360 degree. We increase the intensity to it, it will make the scene bright like this. It shines up, shines down, and shines around. Spotlight is a special type of light that we can use. We use 4-click to create spotlight. In this, instead of its size, is it going to be a beam angle? Spotlight is a special type of light, it shines on a specific object. We see its effect in this condition is less. Then we can go into visual setting atmosphere. We increase artificial light brightness. Beam angle. The feature of Spotlight is that we can take IES light can be used by clicking on this folder. And we load IES in. Means spot or IES light. It is not the same kind of light. Just Spotlight. We can modify the beam angle, but we can do with IES. What we can do on IES is intensity. We see its condition. Its intensity is much stronger than the previous Spotlight. But not sure its brightness is the same. IES other. It may be darker because it was created. Line light. What we can control is its length. Maximum 3 meter. its intensity. It's similar to sphere light, but its shape is cylindrical. Rectangle or disc light is the same light, just it is out of shape. Its surface is waiting to come down. Its size is the same as the length of the line. Light is 3 meters. When it is very bright, we can see the shape of the line on the wall. With this condition, we do not usually use the big size. We use it in suitable size and can have multiple identical lights, instead of using a single panel that fills the surface. Disc light as well as rectangle light. Just its size instead of length and width its radius. And we can see its parameter is only 2. Its size with intensity. For other properties we see first in light management, which is a new function available in Enscape 4.15, and it is full in Enscape 4.16.